Oh, look at our new. Look at our new.
He's 10. He's 10.
Hi.
Hi.
Hi. Who are you? Rachel. It's Rachel. Forgot to me. I didn't think about it. Are you here? The camper? Oh. Here's the trash can. I'm Debbie. Hey, Debbie.
Why is everything so funny to you guys?
Because we're so stupid. Katie.
Well, tell her that. I already know who you are. You guys are going to be awesome friends, and for now, the lights must go off. Get in bed.
Okay. I died first. Are you still rolling? I died first. We gotta do it again now, because we already know who's
No,
gonna
just
die.
keep going.
Either way.
I don't think so, girl.